Ça va bien? Comment allez-vous? Très bien, très bien. Those who are joined, please keep your cameras on. Amina Fatima, Gaudam. Bonjour, bonjour, Gaudam.
Bonjour, madam.
Power failure.
Bonjour, madam. No power failure. What you are telling?
It's power failure.
What? Bonjour, madam.
Yeah. I think it's a magic to make power failure.
What?
What's starting?
Recording. Yes. What?
It's
Yes.
recording.
No, not power failure.
Yes, it is.
No. How we know?
Can you say what
power
did
failure?
ma'am took in the last class?
Because
two
accent. I grew that when we come that two accents ma'am discussed. It is there not a
RVR.
Yeah. Who said power failure?
RVR.
Become host again. What is
you became the
I was late in the last class. That's why.
Oh, you would.
RVR.
Now Richard is the host.
It's recording.
When I joined last class, it was 5D and there was a power failure and they ended the meeting
Yeah,
there.
they had them too.
RVR. Yes.
What did she took in the last class?
Two
RVR.
accents.
RVR. And she took in the last class.
Ma'am came.
Okay, sorry children, we are having a power failure here. So yes, almost 34. Okay, so I'm just muting everyone. In the previous class, we learned two accents. Now, first one is laxo ague and the second accent is laxo grave. I'll just quickly go through those
Yes,
two
ma'am.
first, then I'll introduce the third accent. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Oui, madame, or dako. Okay,
Oui,
now
madame.
I am muting. I am muting everyone. There are les accents. Les accents means the accents. ACCENT. Les accents means the accents. There are in total 5 French accents. Les accents. There are in total 5 French accents. You don't have to write this. You don't have to write this. Okay. And the first one is laxo ague. Please do repeat everyone there. Laxo ague. Laxo ague. Laxo ague is the acute accent and the symbol accent is like this, one small line, and you will be able to see this symbol only with letter E. Only with letter E. And when this laxo ague will come on top of letter E, the actual sound of letter E, which is yuh, will change to A. Repeat, A. The sound of E will change to A. From yuh, it will change to A. Okay, example. Example. Why is it like this? Please wait. Okay, example. First one is a call. A call. I don't know what is happening with the board. I think Shreya want to say something. Shreya, unmute. Try to unmute. Wait. Shreya, now you can unmute.
Ma'am, can you please say the pronunciation of that one? Lasso.
Laxo-ague. 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 Okay? Laxo. Yes, Shreya?
Understood, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the last class, the example you gave 8.
ACOL, yes. Last class I gave ACOL, right? ACOL and ATE.
Ma'am, when you write 80 only.
ATE only?
Ma'am, only 80.
Okay, dako. Gautam, you want to say something?
It is being stuck. It is also being not clear.
Clear. Okay,
That's
okay.
not clear.
Network issue is there slightly. That is why. Okay, please
Yes.
mute everyone. So the first accent is A.
Ma'am, that
Laxo-ague, and
excuse
there's a
me,
small
ma'am.
line like this. Yes.
Ma'am, la accent agu. The pronunciation of
Laxo-ague. Laxo-ague.
laxo agu.
Ague, and you will be able to see the symbol only with letter E. On top of letter E, there will be one small line like this. Example is ATE. ATE. Please keep your mics mute, and still you need to repeat. Okay, mute yourself and try to repeat. ACOL. ACOL. Sorry, the first one is ATE. ATE means summer. Summer. ATE. ATE. Please do repeat. ATE. That means summer. And the second example is ACOL. ACOL means cool. ACOL. ACOL is school. So this is the first accent. Second one is laxograph. L apostrophe ACCENT. Laxograph. In English, we'll say grav accent, and the direction of that accent is opposite to laxo-ague, opposite direction. Okay, and you can see this accent on top of, along with letter E, A, and U. You will be able to see this accent along with letter E, A, and U. And when this laxograph will come on top of letter E, the actual pronunciation of letter E, which is U, will change to, U sound will change to A, as in bed. A, English alphabet letter A sound. English alphabet letter A sound, as in bed, set. Just say bet, set. So when this symbol comes, the sound is A. When this graph will come on top of letter E, the sound will be A. Just A. There is no other confusions. A sound. Example, mare. Mare. Just repeat. Mare. Mare means mother. Mare means mother. Mare. Mare. Then the second example I'm going to give is pair. Pair means father. Pair means father. Pair. So once again, laxograph, the symbol is like this in this direction, opposite to laxo-ague, and you will be able to see the symbol accent on top of letter E, A, and U. And when laxograph will come on top of letter E, the sound will change to A. A, as in bet. Just say the word. Just repeat. Bet. Bet. Example, friends word. Example is mare. Pair. D'accord. Now, one more point. Along with letter A and U. Along with letter A and U, when this laxograph will come, there will be no change in sound. There will be no change in sound along with letter A and U. Okay? There won't be any change in the sound. Only with letter E, laxograph when comes, the sound will change to A. I hope this is clear for you. If you have any doubt, just click on the hand raise button. If you have any doubt regarding these two accents, click on hand raise button. Then if this is clear for you, then I will go to the next one. Okay, one hand raise is there. Vinayak, you can unmute and ask.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you say the pronunciation?
Pronunciation of
Mother.
mother. Mother pronunciation is mare. Mare.
Mare.
Mare. It's not mare. Mare. Repeat.
Mare.
One more time.
Mare.
Perfect, perfect. Très bien. Ensuite, Tania. Tania, unmute.
Ma'am, how to pronounce the word father?
Pear. Mare and pear. The same pronunciation. Pear.
Pear.
Pear. Très bien, très bien. Cheryl Mary.
Ma'am, in the last class, as example, you took frere.
Okay, in the last class, I gave frere also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Only in the last class, only you gave frere.
Ma'am,
Okay, frere is brother. Frere is brother. Pear is father.
Excuse me, madam.
We.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Hmm?
Ma'am, you told about the first two accents of French.
Yes.
Ma'am, so I was a little late.
You were a little late. In the previous class also, I did the same topic. You were there in the previous class?
Yes, ma'am. Previous class I was
Same
there.
thing. Nothing new. Shreya?
Ma'am,
You
so
want me to
did
explain
you
once
take
again?
all the 5 accents?
No, I didn't take all the 5 accents, just only 2. Just
Okay,
started with the 2. Shreya, yes?
And we can use la song grab only in these letters E, A, and U.
E, A, and U. Only laxograph will come on only with letter E, A, and U. Okay?
And lasso AQ with only E.
Laxo AQ with only E. Yes.
Okay.
Adil? Wait, I will call. Adil? Okay. Gautam, you can ask.
Ma'am, why we are not using Z, Y, B like that?
Is that why are not having these accents? Okay. Mostly these accents are coming only with vowel letters. All the other consonant letters will not have these accents.
But
Mostly. There is C is there. Other than that, other letters are not using these accents. Neha?
I'm in Laxon Bravo. How would we pronounce A and U?
11 lakhs of gra will come on top of letter A and U. There will be no change in sound. The actual sound we pronounce as alphabet letter we practice, right? A and U will be the sound. There is no change in that. That is why I told you when lakhs of gra will come on top of letter E and U, there will be no change. I hope it's clear for you. Yes. On to the Rizine.
Yes, ma'am.
D'accord.
Ma'am, the pronunciation is, excuse me, oui, madame.
Excusez-moi, madame.
Okay, ma'am.
D'accord. Amna? Amna, do you have any doubt here? Unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Oui,
you
madame.
told that.
Oui, madame.
Oui, madame.
D'accord, très bien. Ask.
Ma'am, you told that accent, accent graph, we only use the letters A, E, and U.
Right.
But when we use it on E, we'll have a sound difference.
Yes.
But when we use on A and U, no sound difference.
Right.
So why would we use that accent on A and U?
That accent, there are many words in French which will be similar to English words. Okay. And mostly with that in we will not have to pronounce that in the English way. Only slight changes will be there, but that accent will be there. That accent will be there, but there is no pronunciation changes.
Okay, ma'am.
Because in French there are many words which is very similar. Even the spelling also will be exactly same as in English. Okay, but yeah, there will be somewhere you can see the accent. The only that.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Who's the Richard? Yes.
Ma'am, the French words and they are putting English words, then changing the accents, right?
Mostly it's like that because mostly even French and English they are having a give and take. Yeah, we should say.
Words are there.
Yeah, there are many common words in French and English. Communication, same spelling as in English in French, but pronunciation will be communication. Information, same spelling, information, like that. Okay.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes. Oui.
Ma'am, if we say my name in like my name is Ayman, if we say Ayman in French, will it be the same like?
Yeah, same. No change. Okay,
ma'am,
can you say, ma'am,
can you say what we say absent and present in French?
Absent is absent, present is present.
Okay.
Absent, present. Ayman. Okay, this laxo ague is clear. Manu, yes.
Ma'am, so what's the difference between laxo ague and laxo grave? They're almost the same.
Laxo grave. Okay, laxo ague and laxo grave. What is the difference? There is difference in the direction of those two accents. Laxo ague and laxo grave. There is the difference in their direction of the accent, and another difference is in the pronunciation itself. Laxo ague, the sound will be a. Manu, just repeat a. That is the sound in laxo ague, and with laxo grave, sound will be a. That is the difference.
Excuse me, madam.
Oui.
Ma'am, how to pronounce sister in French?
How to pronounce?
Sister.
I didn't hear you, dear. Clearly.
Sister.
Mister. Sir. The new words, no, please don't introduce new words because anyway we are having those new words here. So please don't introduce for now new words. It will be
Ma'am,
very
will we have,
confusing.
excuse me, madam.
Okay,
ma'am, will we have seminar?
No. For French, you will not have seminar this year.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, what is more, madam?
Pardon?
More, madam. They said more, madam. Excuse me, more, madam. What is
moi? Moi means me. Moi means me.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I hope this accent is clear for you. Now I want to move to the next accent. I am muting everyone. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, you told English words, some of the English words are using in French also. So their meanings
are common words.
Yes, ma'am. So meaning will be changed, right?
Meaning will be same. Communication, information, information, same meaning. Okay, television, like that. Okay, now I am muting everyone. We are moving to the next topic, next accent. Ok, donc le troisième accent, c'est l'accent circonflexe. Accent circonflexe. L'accent A-C-C-E-N-T, circonflexe, C-I-R-C-O-N, circonflexe, F-L-E-X-E, circonflexe, l'accent circonflexe. L'accent circonflexe, the symbol is like this, the accent is like this. There will be one hat-like symbol. Okay, this is laxo circonflex, and you will be able to see this symbol along with the vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, and U. You will be able to see this accent, laxocircumflex, on top of letter A, E, and U. And this symbol tells you that about the presence of one missing letter S. Okay, this symbol, laxocircumflex, is telling you about the silent presence of letter S. Silent presence, that means when we write that word, S won't be there. Okay, but there is a presence of S there. There is a history of S there. History. S was there. That idea is given by letter laxocircumflex. Example I'm going to give you is as in F. Foray, 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 foray. Foray means forest. Foray means forest in English. Forest, forest. See, in English word, there is S here. But when we are writing in French, there is no S. So, but still they are giving you the presence of yes, reminding you that there is a silent presence of yes by putting one laxo circumflex there. Okay, see in French with this accent we will read foray, foray. There is no change in pronunciation. Okay, there will be no change in pronunciation. This axo circumflex we will affect only letter A, E, and O. This letter, this axon circumflex will affect only letter A, E, and O. This laxo circumflex will affect only A, E, and O. When you find this symbol on top of letter I and U, think that there is a presence of yes, but no change in pronunciation. No change in pronunciation. Mostly this circumflex, laxocircumflex, is not giving any change in pronunciation, but they are reminding you that there is a historical presence of letter S. Historical presence. Okay, see in English word it is forest. There S is there, but when we are writing in French, there is no S. But it is still reminding you that the historical presence of yes. No change in pronunciation. See, in French, forêt, T will be silent since it is a consonant letter. T will be silent since it is a consonant letter. Yes, I know you are having doubts. I will give you the time. Okay, yeah. So there is T at the end will be silent since it is a consonant letter. And there is one laxo circumflex on top of letter E, that which represents, which tells you that there is a historical presence of letter S there. But when we write, it is not there. Even when we pronounce, that S is not there. We are not pronouncing forest. No. Foray. Just repeat. Foray. Foray. Another example. Another example is hotel. Hotel. Here, H will be silent. Here, H will be silent. I will tell you the reason. Because in French, we will consider H as silent when this H will come at the beginning of a word. If your word is starting with H in French, then we will consider that as silent, and also we'll consider it with vowels also. And also we will consider it with along with vowel letters if it is at the beginning. Once again, in French, if your word is beginning with H, then we'll consider that H as silent and also as a vowel letter. If the H is in between of a word, then no problem. In between of letters, then no problem. But at the beginning, we will consider it is silent and as a vowel letter. All the credits which we are giving to a vowel letter will be applicable to H also. Okay, all the considerations that we are giving to a vowel letter will be given to H also. Keep in mind that. So if in someone is asking how many vowel letters are there in French, which all are the vowel letters are in French? Yeah, you can say A, E, I, O, U, and you can say in addition one more, that is H, only if it is coming at the beginning. H, you can consider only if it is comes in the beginning. Okay. So H will be also considered. And here H will be silent. Hotel. Repeat. Hotel. Hotel. And the meaning is hostel. Hostel or hotel. Host. I think you might know hotel and hostel is having the same meaning. It came from the same word represent. Earlier hotel, and after some time it changed to hostel. Okay, another they're divided with two meanings. The one we can stay, hotel also we can stay, right? So that word is having a same meaning. So hotel and hostel. But in French here, hotel means hotel itself. Hotel. Okay. Hotel is the word, but I actually am having a doubt. Let me share it with you. Sometimes in French, I'll be confusing because it's similar word. Let me ask, Rudra, can you tell me the spelling of hotel in English?
Hotel.
Same spelling, H-O-T-E-L?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, right.
Yes, ma'am.
See, sometimes I
Yes, ma'am,
confuse
same
like
only.
H-O-T-L-E. So that confusion is there. Yeah, that's
Excuse me,
that
madam.
happens when we learn two languages. Yes.
Excuse me, madam. Ma'am,
Oui.
if we say E, U normally, so how we say E in accent circumflex?
Axo circumflex. A sound. A sound. Foray. Foray.
Ma'am, so it's almost same like.
It's almost same. It's almost same. I told you it's almost same. This axo
Ma'am, what
circumflex
about
is
O?
laxo circumflex is not giving any change in the sound mostly.
Okay, ma'am.
There is no change in sound. It
what
just
about the
give you an idea
pronunciation?
that the historical presence of yes. That's it. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me,
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, madam.
We.
Ma'am, how to pronounce hotel?
Hotel. Hotel. Hotel.
Okay.
Ma'am, there is no S in the word
There is no
hotel, ma'am.
yes. There is no yes. But it gives an idea, the historical presence. Historical presence means there was historical presence. Now that S is not there. Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell that in French word of hostel?
Hotel. 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 Right. Wait. I want to give you one more example. Please wait. That is hospital. Hospital. I think you will get the idea what is this.
Hospital.
Hospital, right. Hospital. See here also, there is one S here, but here
But there
no
is
S.
no-
But
Ma'am,
still,
and the
it
H
gives
is
an idea.
silent also.
It gives an idea the historical presence of S. Hospital. H here also, if this word is beginning with the H, and that will be silent. Hospital.
Ma'am, but in hotel and hospital, the L is a consonant, but it is not
Yeah,
silent.
but we are pronouncing. In French, there are exceptions also. We have rules. Please, I am muting. Please, I will give you the time. Okay, I know these doubts are there for you, but in French, like we have rules, we have exceptions also. Like we are having rules, we have exceptions also. I told you in French, if your word is ending with a consonant letter, then that will be silent, but that is not a concrete rule. That is not a concrete rule. There will be exceptional cases. There will be exceptional cases like this, like this. Even with the accents, I told you there will be change in sound, but there will be exceptions. You can see more exceptions like this. We'll learn one rule first, and later you will be able to see somewhere that rule is not applicable. Okay, so that time I want to say that I would like to I will remind you again that we are learning rules like this. H will be silent, and the ending letter consonant will be silent. Like the accent will change the sound. These are we are learning, but still these will be the cases in most of the words. But you keep in mind there will always be exceptional cases, because these rules are not concrete. For the easy understanding, to understanding for easily you to understand the pronunciation and to read it. We are having these rules, but somewhere you will be able to see the exceptional cases. And this is one of them. These are one of them. Hotel, we are pronouncing L here. Hospital, L is pronounced. Okay, so that exceptional cases are there. Now now if you have any doubt, you can raise your click on hand raise button. Click on hand raise button. 5 more minutes. I just quickly clear your doubts. One more time, just repeat there. Foray. Foray. Repeat. I expect everyone to repeat. Foray is forest. Hotel. Hotel is hotel. Then next one, hospital. Hospital is hospital. Yes. Now. Yes. If you have any doubt, you can click on hand raise button. Others, please keep your mics muted. Keep your mics muted. If you have any doubt, click on hand raise button. Tanya?
Ma'am, in the word hospital, no, in the word hotel, there is no S. Then how can it?
Yeah, there is no S. There is no S, dear. But see the English words. See the English words. Hospital, H-O-S is there. Hotel, hostel, H-O-S is there. So that is why it forest, E-S. So that historical presence.
This sign is S sign?
No, that symbol doesn't, that accent, axis circumflex doesn't give any change in your pronunciation, dear. That doesn't mean you have to say S there. No, it doesn't sound S. It only we are writing it, just giving you an idea that the historical presence of yes, but we are not pronouncing yes. That axis circumflex doesn't mean you have to pronounce S sound there. No, foray. Consider that there is no change in pronunciation. Consider that there is no change in pronunciation. But when we write those words, you have to put that. That's it. Okay, it's easy. There will be no change in pronunciation, dears. There will be no change in pronunciation. Right? Only when we write, you just put that accent there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am. So Sri Shankar is asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Dako.
Ma'am, French, we will tell like Francis, right?
No, Francais. That is another there we have another accent. We will see that in the next class.
Excuse me, madam.
The accent is
Ma'am, after the vowel letters only S has come.
Rudra, your audio is not clear. Please be louder.
Ma'am, after the vowel letters only S has come. S will come. We will use this accent.
Yes. We'll use this laxo circumflex there.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
We go them.
Ma'am, why we are telling if tour Eiffel for Eiffel Tower?
Tour Eiffel? Why we are? The pronunciation is
Eiffel Tower.
Okay, we'll discuss that time. There is no accent difference there. There is no accents there. But yeah, we will discuss that. Because no, please don't introduce new words now, because already I introduced these much words today. I introduced new topic today. Now on the top of that, if you bring another word, that will be very confusing here. So I don't want that. Okay. When we learn that word, I will surely clear your doubt. Shreya, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you pronounce mother?
Pardon, which one?
Madam.
Mare. Okay, mother. You want mother. Mare.
Ma'am, does the word hotel has two meanings, hostel and hotel?
Right.
Okay.
Rudra, please mute. Shreya asked. Neha, any doubt?
Ma'am, in hotel and hostel, the L is silent.
No. L will pronounce. Hotel. But it is not that audible also. Hotel.
Okay, ma'am.
Hotel. Okay, Dakong, I hope it's clear. Now only few minutes. I'll quickly take the attendance. Okay. Adinath.
Present, ma'am.
In French, please follow.
Present.
Present. Agne.
Present, madam.
Alim,
Present, madam.
Adil,
Present, madam.
Advik, Advika,
Present, madam.
Alok, Alok,
Absent, madam.
absent,
Absent,
Ambrose,
Present, madam.
Ammu,
Present, madam.
Amna,
Present.
no, Amna,
Present, madam.
Present, madam.
Anandesh,
Present, madam.
Present, madam.
Anandan,
Absent,
absent,
madam.
Angelina,
Present, madam.
Angelina Martin,
Absent.
absent, Angelina
Present,
Jones,
madam. Present,
Angelina
madam.
Jones.
Ma'am,
Others, please mute. Angelina Rose, Jose,
Present, madam.
Angelina Martin,
ma'am, Angelina Martin is present, ma'am.
present. Angelina Jose, both are present, I think. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I am there.
Okay.
Angelina Jones.
Anha Fatima,
Present, ma'am.
Dakon, Ayman, present. Bhuvana Lakshmi,
Present, madam.
Blesswin, past,
Absent, madam.
absent. Brightlin,
Present, madam.
Catherine,
Present, madam.
Chinmay,
Present, madam.
Dia,
Present, madam.
Isha,
Present, madam.
Gaudam, present. John Sebi, present. Neha, present. Pavitra,
Present, madam.
Present, madam.
present. Pravin,
Present, madam.
Razil,
Absent, madam.
absent. Richard, present. Rizin, present. Rohit, absent. Rudra,
Present, madam.
Cheryl,
Present, madam.
Shiva,
Present,
Shreya, present. Sri Shankar,
Present, madam.
Tanya, present.
Present,
Manu,
madam.
present. Vinayak, present. Vishnu, Vaigri,
Present, madam.
Dakon, Trebia. So please do be thorough with these three actions
Merci,
that you
madam.
learned. Okay, we'll see you in the next
Merci,
class.
madam.
Au revoir.
madam.